Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS 3 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. And once you wake up the screen, you can check the amount of the calories burned in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face. Some of the watch faces display that information. Right now it's covered by the hands of the watch, as you can see, but now they moved and we can see the amount of the calories burned. Another way to check it is to swipe right on the screen to pressing the upper button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, finding the activity records, and here, once you open this menu, you can swipe up and then you will see the calories burned right here. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also check this information on the phone. So we can bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera, and then we can tap on open the Honor Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And here we have the amount of calories burned, and also you can scroll down, tap on the calories, and here you have more detailed information like the progression through the day, maybe a week, month, and year. Of course, once you're done checking, you can close the application, and that's how you check the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.